Another thing we can say, another dua, dhikr we can say is, La ilaha illallah al-haleem al-kareem. There is no deity except Allah, the ever forbearing, the ever generous. La ilaha illallah al-aliy al-azim. There is no deity except Allah, the ever high, the ever great. La ilaha illallah rabbus samawati sab'i wa rabbul arsh al-azim. There is no deity except Allah, the Lord of the seven skies and the Lord of the great throne. You are basically affirming the oneness of Allah, and you are mentioning His perfect names, His perfect attributes in this. And we learn in the hadith that these words are the words of farj, yani the words that create openness in your life, opening, vastness in your life. So for example, sometimes you're really working hard at work and you're not getting the promotion that you wish for. You're not getting the increase in your pay, or you're applying for a program, you want to study in it. You're not getting acceptance anywhere. You want to work, you're not finding work anywhere. So you want an opening in your life, right? You find all the doors closed. Any kind of opening in your life, say these words. That Allah, no God but you are forbearing, you are generous, you are ever high, you are ever great, you are the Lord of the seven skies, you are the Lord of the great throne.